Good morning. It's Wednesday, April 26, 2023. This is your Georgia Weather Net morning update. A lot to get to. We do have severe weather on the way. We'll talk about that. Let's take a look at our radar picture at 7:42 this morning. Light showers in South Georgia. These are tracking toward the east, so they're going to be moving toward the coastline. Some of this is not even reaching the ground, but we do have some light rain in a few areas here in the south. Heavier rain in northwest Georgia, now crossing I-75. Lafayette heading in toward Whitfield County and Dalton. And those showers are going to take a while to transition across the mountains. Not really seeing a lot of thunderstorm activity with this, just some heavy rain, and so this will continue to move across into South Carolina as we move through the morning hours. Temperatures are very mild this morning compared to yesterday. The North Georgia mountains are about 20 degrees warmer than they started out yesterday. 52 in Cherokee County, at 61 in Macon. Savannah's checking in at 59, mild 63 degrees in Albany. So that warm air, plenty of moisture, plenty of humidity, that's going to fire up some thunderstorms. So we do have a general thunderstorm risk in the South Metro Atlanta communities over to Macon, stretching along I-16 to Savannah. Level 1 out of 5 risk for South Georgia. That does cover Albany, Camilla, Valdosta, and Brunswick is in there. For tomorrow, here's our level 1 out of 5 risk, covering a lot of the same area, but now we have a level 2 slight risk moving into extreme southwest Georgia. So we're going to look out for some strong to severe thunderstorms as we move through the day tomorrow. General thunderstorm risk covers the rest of the state, and then as we head into Friday, still going to hang on to that level 1 out of 5 risk for South Georgia. This shifts toward the east and does make it to coastal Georgia, all the way up to the CSRA in Augusta. And here we go with some general thunderstorm activity in North Georgia. So just remain weather aware anywhere in the state over the next 3 days. We'll have a little bit of a break in the action on Saturday, but those thunderstorms will be right back in again. Let's take a look at the modeling for this morning. There are those moderate showers there moving across North Georgia, not really showing the light showers in South Georgia. Just know that they're there, and they'll continue to move on toward the Savannah area over the next few hours, and that rain continues to track across North Georgia through the morning. Finally, this afternoon, the bulk of that will be across the state line heading in to South Carolina. So we head into this afternoon, just a few light pop-up showers here and there, maybe some thunderstorms as we head down towards Springfield and Rincon, and then moving into this the late afternoon and evening hours, just 1 or 2 pop-up showers. Not a big deal through the day today. Now, as we move through the overnight hours, showers still possible. Metro Atlanta down to Columbus. We'll start out with cloudy skies over most of the state. Will be a little breezy tomorrow morning as this frontal system back behind me, let me show you where it is. There it is, moving across the Mississippi River Valley. This will continue to track in toward Alabama by tomorrow morning. Be right over the center of the state as we get started Thursday and heading into Thursday afternoon, and moving in some rain into Georgia by Thursday afternoon. And here are thunderstorms pretty much throughout the state of Georgia by Thursday evening. It's going to take a little while for this to track out of here through the overnight hours. Thursday night, Friday morning, still looking at some rain. Things are going to be fairly quiet Friday morning, but that energy is there. It's going to spark once again as we head into Friday afternoon. And so we're going to be looking at some embedded strong to severe thunderstorms all the way here through South Georgia, and then scattered thunderstorms in the northern part of the state. As I mentioned, we will clear out a bit as we head into late Friday night into Saturday morning, but that clearing will be brief. We'll see thunderstorms back in by Saturday afternoon across the state, and it looks like showers back in as we wrap up the weekend as well on Sunday. So that's the latest from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.